Did you know yawning cools your brain? But it's not just about sleepiness. Yawning actually lowers brain temperature. This cool down can boost alertness. Scientists studied this effect in depth. They discovered yawning is a social signal. But there's a shocking twist. Not everyone yawns. Some people are immune to yawning. This could relate to brain chemistry. For instance, dopamine levels play a huge role. Higher dopamine means more yawning. But there's even more. Yawning spreads. Just seeing someone yawn can trigger you. This phenomenon is known as contagious yawning. Even animals experience contagious yawning. So, what does this mean for humans? We are wired for social connections. Next time you yawn, remember this. Yawning is more than just a sleep signal. It's a fascinating glimpse into our brains.